I discovered a handy little thing on GitHub called NRSC5. Basically, it's a program that will let you use an RTL-SDR dongle like this one, and a Linux computer like what's installed on this Mac, and it's just bog standard Debian Trixie, to decode HD radio. Now, you do need to compile this from source, but there's instructions on the page. It literally just tells you, copy and paste this into your terminal. It'll work, and it did indeed for this. According to Max Big Casket, it might be in some obscure repo because it's in the repos on his Debian machine, but it's not in this one, so must be... He has a lot of nerd repos, though. But yeah, just have the... My little telescopic antenna that I typically use this thing isn't the best in this room because we're in a concrete building. So I'm using the dipole kit this came with, but all you need to do...
Clear. NRSC5 101.9.
You need to do NRSC5 space your frequency, like in this case, 101.9, and then your program stream number. This can... Oh, shut the up, fuck. Which can range from 0 to 7. Why it goes up to 7, I don't know, because nothing ever went beyond HD4. But, if I hit enter... It's detecting the tuner. Now, it's not the best reception right here. So reorient the antenna, possibly. And you can actually see here, this is... This is what happens. A typical HD radio would actually fall back to analog at this point. This cannot do that because this is not decoding analog. In addition, this is only decoding the digital parts. This SDR can decode analog in a separate program like RTL-FM, SDR++, or similar things for that. Try vertical polarization? I don't know. Ideally, I'd film this outside, but I don't feel like walking out. So you can tell here that it's trying to fall back to the lower bitrate EAC derived codec when it can, but I'm not in a good area. But if I switch to stream number 1,
Department of Tourism, Denkava GMC, the WVHTC Foundation, and
this is WVAQ HD2,
Did you hear?
which is a simulcast of 1440 WAJR. This is going to be in more consistently because it is a lower bitrate. If I switch back to stream 0, we can do this as just with your number keys, which 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. There's also ways you can output this to a file to record it. This can also decode data from a raw IQ capture. There's commands on the page to do this. Basically, an IQ capture is basically, you're not recording audio from the SDR, you're recording the raw data. This can decode the HD radio stuff from the raw SDR data. Hang on, you know, I'm actually going to go outside. Shit. Welcome to the Rock. So it's decoding that just fine. Switch to stream 1.
And Coach, thanks so much for your time. We definitely.
Now, if I go to a station that doesn't have HD, let's go to 100.1. I don't think they have. Holy shit, they have HD? Since when was WCLG HD? This is WCLG FM Morgantown. I was not expecting them to have HD. As you can tell, they are one program only, which is stream 0, so this is just their HD 1.
Speaker name NRSC 0 space 1 space 1.001.
Let's try
0.
90.9, I think, is NPR. You see, if your station has no HD signal, you won't get a terminal output. No, I don't want to switch your stream battery saver. So it's not getting any time sync signals, so yeah. I actually use RTL-FM to see if this... I think 90.9 is local NPR, so let's see. I don't care about the quality. RTL, FM, F90.9,
Dash F 90.9. Space.
M,
Dash F 90.9 M.
what the Sam hell?
Dash FM. Dash S. Dash R. Space. Dash R.
A play,
T. Apply. Sender.
S16,
Dash F 16.
Little Endian,
Dash F.
channel 1, rate 32,000.
Direct colon. Enable direct sampling. Sender.
Well, I mistyped some of them, but either way, main thing, you can decode HD read using an SDR. Take that Sangean and Grace Digital. You don't need a Spark. I need a $30 dongle, and any computer can run Linux. And there is an ARM version of this. I'm pretty sure you can run on a Pi, so yeah.
Start button.